Every sentence has a structure, it has a subject, it has a verb, it has a object. We have a very long sentence and we don't read it carefully, so we don't understand the subject. You have to also be very much cautious. Small spelling can also alter the meaning. And
मुझे भी पहले स्कोर नहीं आए थे, मेरी भी वोकैब में प्रॉब्लम्स थी, ग्रामर में प्रॉब्लम्स, तो उन्हें पीटी यूनिवर्स ज्वाइन करना चाहिए। वो यहाँ आएंगे, यहाँ क्लास करेंगे, उन्हें अपने आप पता चल जाएगा।
Hello everybody, Aditi here from PTE Universe. Are you struggling to solve reading fill in the blanks? Do you want to learn 10 new grammar shortcuts which will help you in solving reading fill-ups, reading and writing fill in the blanks quickly and easily? Then all you have to do is you have to watch this session till the end. Most of the time students find it really hard to solve reading fill in the blanks, reading and writing fill in the blanks. Guys, this one video is very important to watch the video till the end. In case if you're struggling in PT, face-to-face classes are available in Melbourne, Australia. Online training classes are also available all over the world. You can contact us on the given numbers to book your slot. 30,000 plus students have already passed PT IELTS in the very first attempt with PTE Universe. You can be the next. Let's get started.
So let's get started with rule number 1. Guys, today I'm going to make you understand a little bit about the subject and the verb. Before I start with the rules, you need to understand the basic concept. Every sentence has a structure, it has a subject, it has a verb, it has an object. See this sentence, the car stays in the garage. So subject is the person we are talking about. So here we are talking about car, so the subject is car. Verb is the action that takes place, eating, sleeping, all these are actions. So stays is the verb. Now object is the thing on which the action takes place. So car is where? It is in the garage. Car kahan par hai? Garage mein to kya hai aapka object? Garage. So very simple, three objects थी, तीन चीजें मैंने आपको simple एक sentence में समझाई है. Subject क्या है, verb क्या है, object. Now let's come to the rule number 1. It's very simple. Subject should agree with verb. We call it subject verb agreement. If subject is singular, verb should be singular. If subject is plural, verb should be plural. यानी कि अगर subject मेरा singular है तो verb singular आएगी. Subject plural हुआ, verb plural, दोनों को एक दूसरे से agree करना है. Fine. So car is singular, but with verbs it's opposite. The verbs which end with ses are singular in nature. So verbs के साथ क्या होता है कि हम verbs जो होती हैं उनमें हम उल्टा होता है, जो verbs end करती हैं with these s के साथ या es के साथ, those are singular in nature. Fine. So you can see this example now. Car is singular, singular verb is coming. Flower is singular, singular verb is coming. So women is, now the women in the pool dash well. Just let me know your comment in answer in the comment section so that I get to know, because what I have seen is people they do not read carefully. WOMEN is plural, so plural verb will come, so answer will be swim. So while reading, you have to also be very much cautious. Small spelling can also alter the meaning and you might mark the wrong answer. So this is the rule 1. I hope you're clear with the rule 1. Let's come to the rule number 2. Also, guys, one more thing, we are providing PT, IELTS, NATI, self-pip, spoken English, grammar classes. So if you're struggling in any one of them, you can contact us. I'll share the numbers in the description box, and the trainings are available online at your desired time. You do not need to travel anywhere. You can just do the classes at your own time. One-to-one classes are available, group classes are available. So make sure you get the exams results in first attempt. We are also coming live on Instagram for Q&A session weekly. So you can follow us on our Instagram handle that says PTE Universe. The number of the subject is not changed by the words that come between the subject and the verb. So this rule number 2 is very clear. Sometimes we have a very long sentence and we don't read it carefully, so we don't understand the subject. So if it's a long subject, make sure you still are clear with the subject. जो number है वो matter नहीं करेगा. Real subject क्या है? One of the eggs is broken. So what is the subject? One. So since it's singular, singular verb will come. So is will come. Of the eggs is just a prepositional phrase. Similarly, center on the basketball team. Now center is singular, so singular helping verb will come. So it will be bounces. I hope it's clear. Now come to rule number 3. Guys, rule number 3, you have to just keep certain sort of words in your mind. because some subjects always take a singular verb even though the meaning may seem plural. बहुत बारी आपको ऐसे कुछ subjects मिलेंगे, आपको लगेगा कि नहीं ये verb ये नहीं आएगी, लेकिन these are the subjects you have to bear in your mind and they are always going to take a singular verb. आपको meaning plural भी लग सकता है. Someone in the game, now someone is singular, so was, singular helping verb will come. Neither of the man, again it's in the list and it always takes a singular subject, so is. Each of the girls, it's singular, so singular helping verb. Looks. So always bear these words in your mind, and singular helping verbs take singular verbs. Find plural, if you have, it will take plural verbs. Now coming to the rule number 4, the following words may be singular or plural depending upon their use, almost. So यहाँ पर आपको subject को actually पढ़ के देखना पड़ता है क्या है subject. So with each someone, neither, anyone, singular verb is coming. But here you have to see with all and most. Most of the news is good. So news is singular, so singular helping verb is will come. But most of the flowers were yellow. Flowers is plural, so plural helping verb were is coming. All of the pizza was gone. अभी पिज्जा एक पिज्जा की बात हो रही है, स्लाइसेस की बात नहीं हो रही है. So singular helping verb will come, was. And children is plural, so verb will come. So basically read the sentence again and again. I'm repeating and then determine your answer. Because most of the people don't know, lots of tips and tricks are there for solving PT reading fill-ups, and that's the reason they struggle a lot in reading section. So what we do in our paid courses, we make sure you understand these tricks and you are able to apply them on questions. So we saw lots of real exam questions with you, through which you get to know, okay, how 2-3 tricks can be applied on one question. Sometimes what happens, questions बहुत tricky होते हैं, combination होते हैं 2 या 3 tricks का. So वैसे questions भी हम जो है अपने जो proper classes हैं वहाँ cover करते हैं. Now based on this, see, with all you know, anything can come. You have to see the sentence. Subject, milk is uncountable noun and is always singular, so is will come. So answer is. Now coming to rule number 5, have a look at it. Subjects which are joined by and are plural. Bob and George are leaving. So Bob and George, it's joined with and, so it's plural. Are will come. Whereas subjects which are joined by or nor takes a verb that agrees with the last subject. जब subjects को हमने or या nor से join कर दिया, वो verb लेते हैं जो last subjects के साथ आती है. जैसे neither Bob nor George. So it's singular, so singular helping verb is will come. Neither Bob nor his friends. Friends क्या है? Plural. Are भी plural आएगा. So you have to see the last subject. This was singular, so we saw a singular helping verb. But this was plural. So we saw a plural helping verb. Now 2 questions are in front of you. Quickly post your answer in the comment section. I want to know कि आपको कितना rule समझ आया है. Either the cups or the glasses. Now see the nearest subject, it's plural, are will come. And when things are connected with and, plural helping verb, need will come. So the answer is need. Clear? Let's go to the rule number 6. Guys, sometimes you will see we have there and here, but let me tell you, there and here are never subjects. In sentences that begin with these words, the subject is usually found later in the sentence. There were 5 books on the shelf. So books are plural, so were is coming. See this part. Report is singular, so is coming. Things is plural, so are is coming. There are many things, so the answer is are. Now let's go to rule number 7. Collective noun may be singular or plural depending upon the use in the sentence. Collective noun is a noun that is used to name a whole group like army, crowd, audience, public, club, committee, jury, United States. The orchestra is playing a hit song. Now it's considered as one unit. Collective noun होता है कि जैसे पूरी चीज को हमने एक नाम दे दिया. That is collective noun. अगर ये singular helping verb, अगर इस एक body की तरह act करता है, इसलिए singular helping verb लेता है. Now if you see here, it's considered as one unit, so it's singular helping verb is coming. See here. But if you read it above, the next example here, it's acting like a separate entity. अलग अलग एक्ट कर रहे हैं ये. हम उनको हर एक बंदे को कह रहे हैं ऑर्केस्ट्रा में कि अपना अपना म्यूजिकल बैकग्राउंड दीजिए, तो वो एक कलेक्टिव नाउन होके भी कलेक्टिव नहीं है, इसलिए वहां पर प्लूरल हेल्पिंग वर्ब आ रहा है. You have to read and determine it's acting like one body. If yes, then of course singular helping verb. But there are some exceptional questions where we see it's acting not acting like one body, because you're asking every person of the part of this particular orchestra group the musical background. So it's not acting like one body. Hence, the verb is not going to be singular. It's going to be plural. Now see this example. Solve and post your answer in the comment section. So see, don't and doesn't, this is another rule. Now with he, she, we use does, guys. Because again, he, she is what? It's singular. So singular helping verb ending with ses will come. Doesn't he के साथ does आएगा. But I, we, you, they, we use do. I do not like her. They do not like her. We do not like her. Like this. With he, she, we use does. Fine. Now coming to rule number 9th and 10th. Quickly have a look at it. And guys, I hope you have watched my previous sessions. If you've not watched, do watch the sessions. And guys, right now we are also providing morning and evening slots. Recently, 3 of our students have got 79 plus. 3 of our students have got 65 plus. And 6 of our students got 58 plus. These are the recent results, but if you want to check the results, some of them are already published on our social media accounts like Instagram. So right now we are also providing late night, early morning sessions too, because there are lots of people who are working in the shifts. Also for doctors, nurses, or professionals who are working in 2 shifts, you can do classes according to your schedule. So you can take a personalized session with the trainer according to your convenience. So coming to rule number 9, some nouns, while plural in form, are actually singular in meaning. So you will see some nouns, they end with S, but they are not actually plural. They're actually singular, like physics, home, economics, social studies, economics, mathematics, aesthetics, thesis, gymnastics, phonics, news, acrobatics. So mathematics is, because it's one subject. Physics is. These are considered as one subjects, and these are singular in meaning, not plural in form. So solve this example. Mumps, one of the most uncomfortable disease. So singular helping verb is will come. Let's move to rule number 10, which is the last rule for the day. When there is one subject and more than one verb, the verbs throughout the sentence must agree with the subject. So different kinds of sentences are there, compound, complex, और कभी-कभी sentences थोड़े लंबे भी होते हैं. When you see long sentences, be extra careful with the subject and the verb. Subject is the person or thing they're talking about. So if we have 2 subjects, they should agree with the verb. Interviews are one way to collect data. It's plural, so plural helping verb is coming. And allow researches. Again, the subject is interviews only, so it's plural, so allow will come. An assumption is something that is generally accepted as true and is an important consideration when conducting a doctoral study. Assumption is singular, plural is assumption. So since it's singular helping verb is will come. And here again, we're talking about is assumption, so it's like one body. So it's singular helping verb is will come.
So guys, these were the 10 new grammar shortcuts which will help you in solving reading fill-ups, reading and writing fill in the blanks quickly and easily. Guys, now what you have to do is you have to practice at least 15 to 20 questions on daily basis. Guys, there's so many students who do not practice reading fill-ups on a daily basis. That's why their reading scores never improve. So what you need to do is now you have learned the grammar shortcuts. Please do practice reading on regular basis. Try to see your accuracy. First day your accuracy will be low, but slowly your accuracy will improve. Guys, do let me know in which other modules you are struggling, so I'll try to make video of that topic accordingly. Also, face-to-face classes are available in Melbourne, Australia. Online training is available all over the world. In case if you are struggling in PTL Snati, you can contact us on given numbers to book your slots with us. Aditi here from PTE Universe. All the best.